This is one of the topmost point of Dudhsagar, the ultimate view. The bottom one is the swimming pool spot, the top one, the bridge, and this is the topmost point, the top viewpoint. The topmost point, and it's one of the amazing place, and it's a great moment to meet your subscribers from different states and different places. So here I met Malesh. Hi. Mahesh. Oh, sorry. Mahesh, Jagdish, and Malesh.
Hi.
Hi. You're gonna see them on my channel.
Love you.
Thank you.
For this.
Thank you.
Please subscribe.